This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Dev C++ supports theming and backing up settings. This prevents lost preferences. Open Dev C++, then go straight to Tools, Environment options. Once there, choose Fonts and Colors or Themes. That's the first actionable panel. You do this because the editor skin and text colors live in that section. Changing them immediately affects readability. Make sure to note current values so you can revert. After backing up, you're ready to pick dark palettes and adjust contrast. You now apply the dark theme and fine-tune for coding clarity. Pick the built-in dark option or import a theme file. Import lets you match popular palettes. Once applied, adjust font size, syntax colors, caret brightness, and selection contrast so keywords and types remain distinct. You should test with a code file and tweak token colors for comments, strings, and numbers. If syntax highlighting looks off, restart Dev C++ to load resources. This step ensures every editor element follows the dark scheme. You finish by saving the theme and checking integrated tools. Export your theme or copy config files so you can restore it later. This avoids repeating tweaks. Make sure the console or build output uses a dark background too, because mismatched panels hurt readability. If some UI elements like dialogues or icons stay light, toggle any compatibility settings or clear Dev C++ UI cache. That forces a full redraw. If problems persist, revert the backup and reapply changes more gradually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.